Hello everyone, I'm Jack. Today, we'll show you the most unbelievable driving experiences. Are you ready to embark on a new journey full of adventure, excitement and surprises? Let's get started right away. This video is made for educational purposes and contains important original text commentary. The moment the car lost control and blew into the air at Echo Park. According to the information we have, the car was being chased by the police on suspicion of substance abuse. We hope he's safe so he can face the penalty.
What the? What the?
Another accident has ended the police chase in Muskegon. Let's guess whether the criminal deserves to be punished with severe sentences or not. Why didn't he have a hazard warning lights on when it was already dark, leading to many consecutive collisions just because of that? Although the police arrived at the scene to report the situation to authorities, a total of 6 vehicles were affected in this series of accidents. It's shameful that there are many inattentive drivers on the road. This is like a nightmare, so please focus on driving and watch the road, my blue friend. He drives like a fool, but at least he managed to avoid colliding with anyone. Quite impressive, actually.
Through all of that process and kind of learn the culture and the language, and then a lot of people
A sudden swerve. Luckily for him, the left lane was empty. Next time, focus and maintain distance from the vehicles ahead, my friend. Please don't imitate this. Fortunately, no one was injured. This is why I always advise everyone to buckle up, not just when encountering traffic police, but always for your own safety. Only by fully concentrating on driving can we avoid such collisions on the road. Fortunately, in this collision, no one was injured. They move as if showing signs of substance use. It seems they don't care about their own lives and those of others around them. And what was bound to happen, happened. This seems like divine selection. Fortunately, they didn't drag anyone else along with them. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Please comment on what you think about these terrible and crazy moments. Encountering a major accident can be frightening and stressful with the prospect of dealing with insurance and other issues. It's a relief that everyone involved is okay. I'm wondering, what could have happened? He was driving at a safe speed uphill, and then I saw another truck plunge down the cliff at the curve. I hope that driver's safe. A car chase in Central California ended when the SUV flipped. The driver surrendered to the police immediately afterward. If he'd stopped before the police chase, I think the sentence would have been lighter. Just a minor collision with the tail of our car caused it to flip several times. That really is a terrible thing. I hope they learn a lesson from this collision. A car crashed in the Citgo gas station in Milwaukee while trying to escape from the police. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape before the flames quickly spread to the car. Rescue operations were promptly carried out and no major fire occurred.
Oh, the wheel falling off. Oh, Jesus. God damn. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the wheel. Oh! 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 Oh, my holy!
In a similar situation, if the SUV was in a hurry to refuel, it should also know where a safe stopping point is. While there were no casualties, the economic cost is significant. I hope he's sober enough to pay the fine. Oh no, there are always such reckless drivers on the road. What do you think would be a fair punishment for these actions? At intersections, there are always those who can't wait. Luckily, this was just a minor collision. They don't realise that even if they save a few seconds, if a disaster occurs, they could lose a lifeline. The incident occurred in Belgium, and the 25-year-old driver survived. She was in a coma for a while, suffered a crushed arm and spinal injuries, but she's fully recovered. I hope after this time, she'll have more experience when trying to change lanes on the highway. Oh no, he didn't secure the crate properly. Fortunately, no collision occurred. The man standing on the roadside narrowly escaped injury when two cars collided at the intersection. Truly a lucky day for him. The truck driver's steering maneuver saved the life of the sedan driver. Do you understand why the sedan moved that way? Please leave your comments below. Lord, at this moment, whose fault is it? Please explain to me in the comments section below. Oh no, I don't understand what just happened. He seemed to have fallen a few steps behind. I hope he's okay. One like and your valuable comment mean more to us than any substantial income. Please subscribe to our channel to motivate us in creating educational videos about safe driving on the road, addressing unnecessary complications, and providing entertaining content for everyone. Thank you.